good evening to all of you. My name is Abhilash Arsole and I am working with eLuminous Technologies since 4 years, 4+ years, and I work here as an Android application developer in the development department. So the reason behind shooting this video is आप सब लोग यहाँ पे एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेट करने आए हैं जो 19th एनिवर्सरी हो चुकी है eLuminous Technologies की in the month of November. But due to some reasons we are celebrating this annual day in the January. हम लोग ही नहीं ये physically attend कर रहे हैं annual day. जो लोग remotely working है they are also a part of this annual day event by virtual meet. So a big thank you for them also कि वो virtually ये meeting attend कर रहे हैं. Not a meeting but via a virtual meet they are attending this annual event. Hey guys, welcome back, and yeah, this is something a new try for this year, which would be included in the video you're watching right now. And yeah, हर साल तो हम अपनी के ओल्ड इवेंट्स, पुराने फ़ोटोज़, पुराने वीडियोस को कंबाइन करके हम वीडियो बनाते थे, लेकिन दिस टाइम वी थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो मतलब मैंने सजेस्ट किया कि हम क्यों ना एक सब वीडियो क्लिप से ऐड करें. एक थोड़ा सा हर साल की तरह एक यूनिकनेस रहेगा इस वीडियो में. एंड अभी तो मतलब 2 साल बाद ये एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेट होने जा रहा है eLuminous का. सो व्हाई नॉट वी शुड गिव अ न्यू ट्राई.
Hello all. Today we have gathered over here for the 19th anniversary celebration of eLuminous Technologies Private Limited. We have started this journey of excellence in year 2002 with one single domain, but now in this 19 years we are working with so many new domains like artificial intelligence, business intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and we are serving with these new domains to the society. I know the last year was really critical year for everyone. It was a pandemic year, but we have stayed together in this year, and that shows the strong bond between all our Illuminates. This pandemic year created a lot of challenges as well as a lot of opportunities also, and I am really happy to share that Illuminous Technologies grown double in this year. One of the department which is started few years back are grown 4 times, and that these achievements are achieved only with the great efforts of all Illuminates. Last year we have started with working with few big enterprises, and we have created a lot of big value in these enterprises, and that's why they are really happy to work with us. If we see the last year, not only from India but from overseas also, a lot of good talented team members join as Illuminates, and because of this Illuminous is now having multiple colors of culture, and we all are really enjoying this multicultural Illuminates together. I am sure this will give us an opportunity to learn and spread learning between each other. Once again, I would like to congratulate for all Illuminates for this successful 19 years of journey, and I am sure we will keep this journey of excellence for years on years. Also, I would like to thanks to all our clients who are associated with us from last 19 years, and this gives us a great motivation to do the great jobs day after day. Thank you.
Good morning. Constant beeps of your cell phones, constant buzzing emails, Skype chat messages, Zoom calls, and never-ending WhatsApp notifications. They make sure that no matter what you do, they overwhelm your day. someone has said that in this era, never like in human history, we live in the world of distractions. Just to keep those distractions apart, I like to enjoy the morning time with me. In the morning, let's say, I like to run, jog, or take a walk sometimes, and that is something which gives you an opportunity to enjoy the nature, see the sunrise most of the times in the week. And I think like this is something which energizes everyone. Hello Abhilash.
Hello sir, good morning.
So this is Abhilash,
Hi guys.
who likes long distance bike riding,
Yeah.
and it's certainly heartening that apart from being colleagues, we can also wave hands on the ground.
So it was Rushikesh sir's idea to shoot this video, this part of the video in the morning, and like I was going to shoot his video clips in the office, but he suggested that we will meet in the morning and spread a message to keep yourself healthy and fit in this pandemic era. And we need to just take a couple of hours time in the morning or in the evening and take time from your busy schedule and be yourself fit and happy and healthy. So we just wanted to spread this message. So thank you so much Rushikesh sir for providing me this idea. You enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Bye.
I am associated with Illumina since last 15 years. I started my career as a software engineer and now I am working as a project delivery manager. It's been great journey. I learned a lot, not only in professional life but in personal life also. The best thing about Illumina is that it allows us to grow, allows us to learn and always encourage you to develop your skill. Technical growth is one of that initiative which helps us to improve your technical skill. I did my PMP certifications due to this initiative. It's always a proud moment for me to associate with Illumina Technologies. And when we celebrate days like this, it gives immense pleasure. During these events, we come to know many different aspects of individuals, which we don't see during work hours, like singing, dancing, all those things. So enjoy.
Last 2 years has been really challenging for us during this pandemic. We never thought of work from home will be a possibility before, but this pandemic has taught us that, and we Illumina responded very well. We didn't stop work for a single day, and I thanks my Illumina for supporting during this pandemic. Thank you, and enjoy the party.
हाय आय एम साक्षी.
आय भावना.
आम्हा लोकांना इथे जॉईन करून जवळजवळ 1.5 वर्ष होत आलंय आणि इकडचा एक्सपिरियन्स आत्तापर्यंतचा बेस्ट आहे.
आम्ही गेल्या 1.5 वर्षामध्ये खूप मजा केली, खूप चांगले फ्रेंड्स मिळाले आणि आम्ही प्रोफेशनली खूप ग्रो झालेलो आहोत. थँक्यू टू Illuminous अँड थँक्यू टू माय ऑल फ्रेंड्स. थँक्यू सो मच.
आय वॉन्ट टू थँक माय टीम अँड इव्हेंट टीम लीड्स पण खूप जास्त सपोर्टिव्ह आहे. सो काम आणि बाकीच्या गोष्टी खरंच एन्जॉयबल आहे इकडे.
Hi guys, this is Sonal working as an HR.
Hi guys, I'm Ajay.
Hi everyone, I'm Arvind.
Hi, I'm Krunal.
Hi, I'm Vinod.
Hello, this is Mayur.
Guys, I hope you're enjoying this video and as well as you're enjoying this event. And this is our committee members working still late night to make this event successful.
So guys, time to wind up this video. I hope you must have enjoyed this video a lot, and because we all enjoyed this shooting part, so आपको मज़ा आया ही होगा. I wish you everyone a very happy new year, and you all guys stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.